I received a bounty of lemons from my friend, and I'm in the process, of juicing them. And here's a little hint. Wash off the skin really well, and then take and roll it. I use a towel so they don't slip around, but press firmly and roll it, and this gets the juices all ready to go. Works really well. Sorry, I'm going to move you around here. I'm going to put them in the juice in ice cube trays. Freeze them solid, and then put the little lemon cubes into the freezer bag so that I have fresh lemon juice whenever. Now, I did try one time freezing the entire lemon. It wasn't a good thing. They got mushy and unusable. So I thought I'd share this little tip. It's a quick one, but I love fresh lemon juice. And for probably 20 bucks, you can go to Walmart, get a nice little lemon juicer like this. It's electric, so it's really, really easy to use. And I strongly recommend that you do this. Oh, and your lemon peels, don't throw them in the trash. Put them down your garbage disposal. Oh my God, you can see how dirty my sink is. I guess I need to bring out the barkeeper's friend. Or in other words, a cleanser. Okay, ignore that. Anyway, it smells good. That's it. Thank you. Everybody be nice to each other and have a good day. And please subscribe and like my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And peace.